I am Antonina Cuesta. I represent Crime Stoppers El Salvador. I am the Vice President for Crime Stoppers Caribbean, Bermuda, and Latin America, and I am Crime Stoppers International Director. Today, I'm presenting the award for the category of Public Service, Media, Television, in a community size of 300,000 to 1 million. I am happy to announce that the winner of this award is Winnipeg Crime Stoppers. Winnipeg Crime Stoppers started this campaign based on Something is Wrong. The idea was to encourage people to turn in meth dealers and importers. This campaign started from March through May, and due to the pandemic COVID-19, they've run it again from September through November. The result of this campaign was that they arrested meth traffickers due to tips that were in through Winnipeg Crime Stoppers. We are very happy for Winnipeg Crime Stoppers to receive and win this award, and we're hoping they keep on having their success.